Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. Facebook has recently updated its version and you can see a lock option, but if you can't find that on your device, then this video is here to help you. Now without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Facebook app. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Facebook app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon that is located on the top right hand side corner. After that, you'll be on the menu page. From the menu page, you'll have to scroll down. You'll have to tap on the first option, that is help and support. Once you tap on it, there will be about 4 options. Tap on the third option, that is report a problem. After that, again here you'll be on the another page. From here you'll have to tap on the continue to report a problem. After that, here you'll be asked whether you want to include complete logs and diagnosis. Tap on include in report. Then you'll be on the next page where you'll get about a bunch of options from where you can select the products that you want to use in order to report the problem. I will be choosing the photos option. After that, you'll be on the next page where on the very top you can see a box where you can describe the issue. Here you can write something like the Facebook profile lock option is not showing and please kindly help us. Once you're done describing the issue, here on the below you can see an option upload from phone. If you prefer, you can take a screenshot from your phone and upload it right here. For now, I will not be going towards that process and I will be tapping on the send button that is located on the top right hand side corner. And just like that, there, as you can see, there was a notification pop up where it was said that thanks for your feedback and you'll get a reply in some time. You should get a reply from the Facebook team in like about a week or so. So be updated to get the reply. And with that, you should be able to get your Facebook profile lock option. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.